You're watching Fox 13's The Place.
Hey everybody, so glad you're still here. Ladies, we want to talk to you for just a second. Now, you raise your hand out there, because we can't see it anyway. Have you coughed, laughed, sneezed, and all of a sudden you were startled because something happened, right? We have Rena Hyatt here from Enlightened Laser talking about issues that happen even worse if you go to the gym and things that are causing your life to kind of be on hold for a little bit.
I know, we want to change that.
Yeah.
Now, there's a life-changing treatment out there. It's a non-surgical vaginal rejuvenation treatment that we offer at our clinic.
Yeah.
It's called the Vivive treatment.
The Vivive treatment. Now, we talked about this before, but there's several reasons why this treatment is really good for people, for women that maybe you've had children, you've had multiple children, maybe you haven't, it's just part of aging or menopause. This is just something you can't help, it's not your fault, it just happens, right?
It just does. You mentioned all of the things that I always bring up: aging, childbirth, menopause. In some form or another, stress urinary incontinence is going to happen to just about everybody.
Yeah.
So we want those instances, though, that are annoying and super cumbersome at the gym to be non-existent anymore.
Right.
It shouldn't be something that's on your mind if you're going to the gym to work out, to better yourself, to build your body, to be strong, to have to worry about peeing your pants at the gym or wearing a maxi pad to work out.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have to worry about that anymore.
I mean, really, we're talking, ladies, about ways that this is a way that's non-invasive. It doesn't hurt. It's a one-time thing that can bring you peace and give you that confidence back in your life. You know that
absolutely,
to no fault of ours as a woman, things have happened.
Right, exactly. And you know, I don't think women talk about it near as often as we think maybe that we do. It's just not talked about, but it should be. We should be talking about those instances of stress urinary incontinence or things that happen to us that maybe don't seem like, oh, are we normal? It's totally normal. You are not alone. These are things that just happen.
I'm going to remind my kids next time they tell me a funny joke, and I'll be like, I'm normal. Just so you know. Let's talk about how this treatment works.
Right, so the treatment works by using a radio frequency energy that's pulsed into the vaginal tissue. Now, the treatment tip itself is about the size of a thumb, so very non-invasive, and when that's inserted into the vaginal tissue, it pulses that radio frequency energy and cryogen cools the tissue simultaneously, so we get a nice rebuild of collagen in the vaginal canal, which for stress urinary incontinence patient means that we get more strength of the tissue underneath that urethra, so you're not leaking that urine anymore. We want to make sure that we're treating that tissue. So
I always think about it this way, ladies. You know, the turkey neck. I mean, we age. Our skin ages. There's no reason why other parts of our body wouldn't age as well. And when there's nothing you physically can do about it, this is such an option. And it's one time.
It's one time. Yes. Pain-free, no downtime. You're not going to have to plan to be off work, have it interfere with your summer plans or your children. So yes, this is wonderful that way. It should be thought of as a maintenance treatment too, because as time goes on, you're going to continue to age, you're going to continue to break down that collagen, but it's such a wonderful treatment that we can continue to do for our bodies and for our own vaginal health.
I think too, it's a great idea, ladies, if you're not even experiencing any of this, let's just talk about preventive.
It really does, yes.
Why get to the point where you go, okay, this has now affected my life, and now I have to do something about it. You're offering a special now, right?
Yep, absolutely. So we're offering a 20% off discount this month. It's also performed by an OBGYN, Dr. Molly Mears. We should mention that as well. It gives our patients a lot of confidence in the treatment itself that a female OBGYN is doing this treatment.
Oh, anytime you're talking about female issues, I think it's always comforting to talk to a female. So when people come in, they can do a free consult with you, right, Rena?
Yes, free consultation always. We want to make sure that everyone has access to this treatment and the information that we provide. So make sure to give everybody the information, customize the treatment for each individual patient, and then they can go from there. But yes, please come in.
Okay, and so this actually is something that you, after you have your consultation, you can either do it on the phone or they can come in, right? And then you're in, how long does this take?
So this treatment is 30 minutes or 1 hour in office. The consultation itself should only take about an hour.
Yeah, and the thing is that the questions they ask you is specific to you. It's not, you know, they want to know what's going on with you and how can
Very specific, so we can tailor the treatment for you to make sure that you're not having those instances that are bothering you anymore.
Yeah.
That's the key.
It's a great time to be honest and a great time to actually get those results that you want that are maybe stopping you from doing the things that you want to do in life. And I think with summer coming up, this is a great idea.
Perfect, yes.
Enlighten Laser is the place. Your website is?
EnlightenedLaser.com.
There you go. Or you can go to our own website at fox13now.com. Click on the place. Stay with us, everybody. We'll be right back.